government's greatest military power, considered to be some of the strongest fighters in the entire series. And today, we will explain and rank all of them, starting with Aokiji, the Blue Pheasant. Kuzan is the first admiral we were introduced to in the anime after the Straw Hat crew encountered him during the Long Ring Long Land arc. There, he easily outclassed the whole crew and made Luffy realize just how powerful the admirals really are. Although Kuzan tries to follow the world government orders, he occasionally disregards them, which was best shown in Ohara when he lets young Robin escape. He was also shocked by Sakazuki's decision to blow up a ship full of civilians, which he thought was completely unnecessary. Kuzan ate the Hiei no Mi, a Logia-type devil fruit that allows him to create, control, and transform his body into ice. Since ice is a solid element, Kuzan can be hit easily, even with the attacks not infused with Haki. However, these attacks cannot harm him in any way. Instead, his body would just shatter apart when struck, only to effortlessly reform seconds later. Kuzan is also able to form constructs out of ice. For example, in combat, he can create weaponry, primarily forming swords and spears, but he can also make more advanced things, like a giant pheasant to send flying at enemies. An interesting thing about Kuzan is that he's one of the few devil fruit users who can bypass the weakness of falling into the sea. He can achieve this by freezing the sea before he can sink below the surface. Not only does this keep him from drowning, but it also lets him prevent enemies from escaping by sea, by freezing their ships in place, or rendering the sea a solid battleground for entire armies.